One special day, a tiny butterfly landed on the hands of our sweet kid. It just sat calm, as if it came only to share a moment of peace. It tried to fly away, fluttered for a second, and then paused like it couldn't decide. This is the magic of nature. These little gifts make our hearts smile and remind us that joy can come in the tiniest forms. And then, on a completely different day, a group of monkeys visited our home. Before I could blink, the old curious gang be- begin their play, and a few of them were observing us from a distance. These visits didn't happen only once. They came on various occasions, at times early morning, once in a blue moon evening. Those memories still stays fresh, and today I am sharing this moment with you all. Thanks for being here. If you enjoyed this moment, like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected with Rani Bijenspedia.